This is day one of trying to pass a funded account challenge. Yeah, so you're probably watching me the first time, so let me tell a little bit about myself. I'm an 18-year-old trader. I can't really say I'm a trader because I'm not profitable. I haven't passed any funded account challenges. I've been learning for about a year right now. Yeah, and let me tell you something, it's not as easy as you can see it on Instagram somewhere else. It's the first part and it's the first day and I took a loss already. You might ask, why did I take this trade? So to begin with, we had a really bad last week, very choppy, but glad it cleared up and we have some clean price action starting this week. So it kept falling and falling and falling. It made a little retracement. We got this hourly inverse fair value gap. We see the candles touching the mean threshold, and then we've got big bearish candle which closed below it, and we had reaction at mean threshold once again and it went down. So that's the first why. Let me get back to 1 minute chart. The second why is the first presented fair value gap. We opened down without clearing the relative equal highs. I mark liquidity as X if you wonder. We opened down, quickly got to the consequent encouragement of opening range gap. We went back up, touched the hourly inverse fair value gap, closed below, reacted from it, I fell down. So in my head, we're bearish because of a higher time frame context. We had this fair value gap, closed below old new week opening high. We had reaction here, body staying below it, came back up, touched the mean threshold and reacted off of it. And I entered because we have the current new week opening gap here, and it was macro time 9:50. Yeah, 9:50, 10:10 macro time. Also, we had relative equal lows right here. Wait, I'll show you all. Here, we had these relative equal lows, so I thought we would sweep them if we haven't swept this. Now, what should have I done to not have making this mistake? Let's call it a mistake. So it all begins with a London session. This is the London session low, and we have the London session high somewhere here. No, I'm sorry, here. So this is the London session, and London session created relative equal lows, which were broken afterwards. Pre-market New York morning session, and the price quickly dropped down to the current new week opening high and came back up, left these highs untouched. Then we're dropping down. This drop below before the opening bell was the Judas swing, and the market left these highs just to create more liquidity, to make the retail traders think it's support. We opened down and we rallied back up and opened and continued to bearish movement, which was the second Judas swing, and I should have known that because that's my strategy. I use this. It's what I trade. It's the strategy that I developed over the year. Very good. It works. I don't know. I don't want to lie, but let's say 65% of the time, 70% of the time. We had the early Judas swing, left relative equal highs, another Judas swing, then we almost closed the opening range gap, and yeah, right here I really like the inverse fair value gap. Right here we have the entry, should have been my entry if I would have followed the rules. We have this discount consequent encouragement of the wick. We had good reaction from here. We see that we came back up, touched the middle and then closed, but on the other candle we pierced the fair value gap, made it an inverse fair value gap, and on this move down it should have been my entry. TP wouldn't be this high because I'm trying to teach myself to desynthesize from the money aspect of trading. I'm trying to aim for the low hanging fruits, so my entry would be here and TP here, and the stop loss of course at the low of the fair value gap candle. Yeah, just like this. So this is what my trade should have looked like, but of course emotions came in. I didn't follow my rules, and I'll put a copy of my rules in this video. So yeah, the human aspect just kicked in. I didn't stick to the strategy. Oh, one more rule. Another rule I have, it's not written in the rule paper, but I only trade past 10 a.m. and this entry was at 9:49. This means I have broken two rules, which was stick to the strategy and logic, and trade only post 10 a.m. Overall, this day had amazing price action. Even though I took a loss, I really loved watching the candlesticks paint, how it moved up after. I know I took a loss, but like I said, I love to watch. I love to watch my strategy work, even though I didn't use today. And yeah, that's that. So talking about why the price action was so good today, we have to make our way to Forex Factory. We see that we have PMI at the end of the week, Friday. So Monday, Tuesday has the best trading, and we have medium impact news Monday, which means it's a perfect day to trade. So I think that is it. Have a nice day and see you next time.